надежда, любовь с вами между, любовь без, подари мне нежно, сердцебиение, мое сопротивление твое бесполезно, бесполезно.
И я все знаю за нас двоих. Не говори ничего, прошу, тебе не скрыться от любви, а я как воздухом тобой дышу.
Теперь ты свободна, лети куда угодно, куда глаза глядят, но не смотри обратно. Теперь ты свободна, лети куда угодно, тебе не скрыться от любви, бесполезно.
Тебе не скрыться от любви. Бесполезно. Тебе не скрыться от любви. Бесполезно. Мы в зоне риска, ближе, чем близко. Мы в одночасье, больше, чем счастье. Это внутри 3 миллиметра над уровнем неба. Где бы я ни была, где бы ты не был, неумолимая. Любовь, не подведи меня, непобедимая. Любовь, не проведи меня, необъяснимая. Любовь, неумолимая, необъяснимая, непобедимая. Тебе не скрыться от любви. Бесполезно. Тебе не скрыться от любви. Бесполезно. Тебе не скрыться от любви.
Теперь ты свободна, лети куда угодно, куда глаза глядят, но не смотри обратно. Теперь ты свободна, лети куда угодно, тебе не скрыться от любви.
Бесполезно. Тебе не скрыться от любви.
I got something on my mind, but words, they won't do it justice. I could write it on a sign, but words, they won't do it justice. I need a translator at the tip of my tongue. There's a freight train of emotion stuck in my lung. I need to get it out before it's all gone. So I'll just speak in hours from
you always look away. You got nothing to say. What do you wanna do about me and you? You can smile or laugh, but it's less than half of what makes a whole. So make the call. You keep in my face. I'm a rat in your race, and your hand is full of lies, but you're my love in disguise.
Quarter-final prospects have attracted everybody to get a ticket, the lucky ones, to come and see this stage of the competition. Stadium absolutely packed, Alan.
Yeah, and I think that helps the players. The good players particularly respond to this kind of atmosphere. Quarter-final match, they shouldn't need any geeing up.
So this is how the hosts line up today. Chris Smalling starts with Kurt Zouma in central defence. In attack, Wissam Ben Yedder joins together with Robert Lewandowski. Into the attacking third. They cope with it well defensively. He's had a go here. Just working away to try and find an opening. One back very quickly. Could be dangerous. Crisp defending there. It was nicely worked until that point when it broke down. And now they've got to try and And the goalkeeper will get this one, no problem. This could be it. Lewandowski! Just wide of the target. Wellington. Oh, he's through. Goalkeeper goes down and comes away with the ball. Well played.
Yeah, it was brave goalkeeping. He didn't shirk the challenge, did he?
Promising build-up until that challenge. Bruma. It's looking good, this move. Keeps it going. And in he goes with the tackle. He's got it back again from his teammate. To put them in front. Great stop. Chris Smalling. Cut out the pass. Wellington. On the attack here. He might be through. Shots on here. But he's had a go.
Well, if you don't buy a ticket, as they say, and fair play to him for having a crack.
Robert Lewandowski. Quick change of possession here. Building steadily here, keeping possession. A real chance here. Oh, great work by the keeper.
Well, what a vital tackle. But the pressure's still there.
Ben Yedder. Came in with the challenge and the ball broke free. Good position. They've worked this attack very well into quite a dangerous position now. Wellington. That will help ease the pressure. Patience is the name of the game at the moment. Looking to play his teammate through. The shot's on! Great work by the goalkeeper. The ball is his and he's made sure he's protected it.
Well, it's an important area to win back the ball, that.
Really trying to use the full width of the pitch here to make some progress. The defender's done very well there to stop the cross. On the front foot now, they've got a corner, hoping for the goal that will put them in the lead. They've coped with it well defensively. Bruma. Free kick given. Easy decision for this referee, and there's going to be no leniency here. It's got to be a card, a yellow one.
Yeah, he reached for that back pocket straight away, and out it came.
They're going to have to restart with a throw. Contact. Excellent interception. Wellington. There's some potential in this move. It's a good way to nick the ball back. Quick thinking. Great tackling technique to win the ball cleanly. Ben Yedder. Challenges for the ball. Well, this attack got a bit of menace to it. Shot on! He's kept it out. That will be a corner. Robert Lewandowski. Ben Yedder! Very good stop here. 2 more minutes to play, that of added time.
2 minutes of added time.
Shoots! The shot gets blocked. Trying to switch on, heads it towards goal. So it's half. 45 minutes to go as we start the second half. Chris Smalling. Robert Lewandowski. And there's the interception. Here's a chance to attack. Now the shot! And that shot's blocked very quickly. Definitely a throw in there. Emre Can. Good pass, getting it forward. Comes in strongly. Bit of pressure on the player, that's why it's gone out. Here's McNair. Well, they've been thwarted here. That's a sign of better things to come. Wellington. Brilliant football from this team. Shots on here. That's a good block. Gone for the through pass. Well, he's got support here. Defender to it first. And here's the shot. Well, there's nothing still to separate these teams despite these chances. Wasteful pass, unforced error, really. Wellington. There's good progress with this attack. Back it goes to Begovic. Can. Ben Yedder. It's a poor touch and the possession's gone away. Spotted well by the defender, cut it out. Here's McNair. We've had an hour gone here and still 30 minutes left. Won it back with an interception. Wellington. That's a great interception. And the offside is given. Here's Shaw. There's some potential in this move. Oh, good through ball. Ben Yedder! That's taken. Goal, they're in front.
A goal from Ben Yedder. And what a finish. Hit with real pace into that bottom left.
I think it was a game that deserved a goal. Now we've got it. And they're passing so well out there. They bring them level, and they've scored.
Oh, that was schoolboy stuff. Having just scored, they concede at the other end. Lack of concentration.
You've got to admire the way he placed the ball into the bottom corner of the net.
But the goalkeeper was in a decent position, but he was helpless to stop that one going in.
So away we go at 1-1. On the attack here. Lewandowski! Great stop. Well, they know their positions here, they know their jobs defending this corner. Oh, that doesn't look too good. Probably. Now the shot! Good work by the goalkeeper. Wellington. Very straight. Forward save for the goalkeeper. Well, down on the touchline, getting the details about that injury is Geoff Shreeves. Jeff.
Bad blow to his upper thigh in the last challenge, but at the moment, he's staying on the field.
Thanks, Jeff. Spot on.
Well, I don't know who the lad saw there, passing the ball. Somebody in the crowd, maybe.
Robert Lewandowski. He's coming forward with some danger. Ben Yedder! Oh, we're still level pegging here, but it's not for the want of trying. So we're coming down now towards the last 15 minutes. Makes a challenge here. Bruma. It's a good place to win the ball here. Could be dangerous. To put them in front. He's made the save. Stopping the pass getting through with a good piece of anticipation. Trying to thread it through here. Ben Yedder. There's good progress with this attack. Tried to tackle here, and he's done that. Still don't know which way this one's going to go with 5 minutes to go, score still level. Wellington. On to the attack now. Now Paddy McNair. Ben Yedder. Good football between these two. Nice passing. They spread it out wide here. Chance to get some width into this attack. Well, this attack has got a bit of menace to it. Now Wilson. Shot on! And a chance maybe to get their noses in front. Didn't quite happen. And the time to be added on here is a minimum of 3 minutes. And he's got the ball away from him with the tackle. And the referee says, that's a free kick. Chris Smalling. Well, we're into the last few minutes here. If they score now, they'll short. Wellington! The goalkeeper plunged to make the save. Time is against them. Here's a corner, though. It's a heading chance now. Shots blocked very quickly. 90 minutes have been played, the score's level.
It was a slight on my honor, so he deserved it. But we're talking about the most brilliant mind this world has ever seen.
Well, the coach has made a bold move. He's bringing on the extra striker.
It's a game he clearly feels he can win, and maybe he should win, so let's see if this makes the difference.
Good forward play from them. Shots on here. Oh, well saved. Well, here's a chance to get their noses in front from the corner. And he's up for the header. Fine save he's made there. And he's not let the ball escape his grasp. Good challenge. It was a foul. The referee's seen the situation that he can play on. Good work from him. Letting the shot go! Wellington into the attacking third.
Oh, you hate to see that for the player. He's going to be on the sidelines for a little while now, I think.
He's got his shot off now. Chan. Well, they're in a good position here. It's an exhibition here with such great passing. And that is one pass too many. In the end, they've given the ball away. Conte. And shoots! At full extension, the goalkeeper makes the save.
He's got it back again from his teammate.
Bruma on the attack here. Defender to it first. Here's Wilson. Pressed and won the ball well forward. Lewandowski! Made the save. Second period of extra time to come. So on we go into the second half of extra time. It was good play until they got that challenge in. Wellington. Strong challenge. Moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here. Now the shot! Great stop.
Well, I don't know who the lad saw there, passing the ball. Somebody in the crowd, maybe.
Very... Shot on! Get a chance maybe to get their noses in front. Didn't quite happen. Still, as we are on the scoreline, but there's still time, even this late in the game, for a twist to the tail. It's looking good, this move. He can put them in front. And the goalkeeper got a touch to that. Fine save. That is another corner. That's interesting. And it's a headed effort at goal. Smalling!
The shot gets blocked.
And it's gone out of play there. Attacking now. Tried to tackle here, and he's done that. Shots on here. Well, the corner count rises and rises.
Counting down for 5 minutes to go in this extra time second period.
Now they've got a chance in this part of the pitch. Good play, but they've lost the ball now, and the opposition can get at them.
We are down to the final 2 minutes of this extra period.
On to the attack now. They've coped with it well defensively.
The fourth official has indicated there will be a minimum of 2 minutes of added time.
That's a great interception. Tackled well. No reason to stop the game for the referee then. And this will be the first penalty, and everyone watching to see how it starts. That's amazing.
Can't believe football achieving that. Fair play to him.
Oh, that's what we've come to see. That's a brilliant goal. Super goal! Here he is, rather nervously, I must say. All you need to do is put it in the net in the shootout, and he's done it. And he's put it away. Well, up he steps. There's no hiding place. He looks apprehensive. That's a good penalty. These shootouts very testing. They've got a good penalty taker in this fella. must say, he's got worry lines all over his face.
Well, that is nerves of steel.
Confidence of the highest order.
Well, here he comes to try and keep his side in the shootout. Absolutely. No, they've lost.
Oh, there'll be no consoling him after that. He stepped up, he was brave, but just couldn't do the damage to his team.
Steadily here. It should be a tremendous game, and here we go.
This is the lineup for the home side. Thibaut Courtois starts in goal. Chris Smalling starts with Eric Bailly at the back. And three more, all attackers, to round off the team. There's good progress with this attack. Good reading of the play by the defender. Gabby. We're concentrating perhaps on the teams, but also these two lads as well.
They've done really well, but I think both have got scope for improvement, for development, because they're not old, and that bodes well for their teammates.
Coman. Izet Hajrovic. Gabby. Attacking well here.
Here the challenge is a good one. It was nicely worked until that point when it broke down. And now they've got to try and regain possession.
Good defending. Wellington. On the attack here. That's it. Going for goal! Bowie. He's got his shot off now. Ball coming up. And it's a header. Oh, he had a real go.
Well, you can't knock him. He was in the right place at the right time. Just couldn't provide the finishing touch.
On to the attack now. To put them in front. And there it is, the opening goal. Well, it is the way the modern game is played, isn't it? This kind of breakaway. And they couldn't live with them.
Well, if you've got pace, as this side have, you're always going to be a threat on the counter. It's a wonderful finish.
Coman. Probing away, trying to find room for a shot, maybe. Shot on! Fine save he's made there. And he's not let the ball escape his grasp. Good forward play from them. He's going to try it. They've broken through again and scored again. Goalkeeper almost got there, but it wasn't a strong enough touch.
Yeah, he's annoyed with himself, isn't he? Having got a touch on it, feels he should have done better.
Just widen the margin here to 2-0. Gabby. And in he goes with the tackle. Bruma. Wellington. There's some potential in this move. Well, that's deflected behind. It will be a corner. Won it back with an interception. There's the ball in, and in comes the header. He's got his head to it and scored. Goal come from top class.
The defenders seem to lose the concentration almost. They saw it coming from a long way out. Well, he's a fantastic header of the ball, and his marker stood no chance there.
Well, they've widened the margin now. 3-0 they lead. Into the attacking third. That certainly hasn't gone according to plan. Got the tackle in. Bruma. Looking for an opening with some good controlled build-up. Could score! Great stop. Great place to win it back. And here's the cross, and it's a headed effort at goal. And shoots! He's blocked that well. That's cut out. Well, they're in a good position here. Should be. He's kept it out. Defender to it first. Did well, stuck out a foot and cut off the pass. Penalty. Well. For the ref, a decision, and the decision is yellow.
I don't think anybody, least of all the player, can have any complaints about that.
Full on the frame of the goal. Galloway. Bruma. Could be dangerous. Now here is a chance for them.
Sebastian Rode. Well read by the defender. Wellington. Opportunity here. They're still in trouble here. He's tackled well. It was a good challenge. It's led to a corner. And in goes the cross.
And it's the goalkeeper's ball, quite clearly a wasted cross.
Patience is the name of the game at the moment. Opportunity now. Oh, well saved.
There will be a minimum of
3 minutes from the referee via the fourth official. That's the decision regarding added time. Wellington.
Trying to switch on the attacking power in this situation.
Real opening now. Oh, he had a real go.
Well, you can't knock him. He was in the right place at the right time. Just couldn't provide the finishing touch.
Well, there is the...
Well, we wait to see what the second half brings. The first half was conclusive, but you don't win the game at half-time.
Trying to find a way through here, probing away. Oh dear, they've conceded another penalty.
They've just got to learn to stand up and make better challenges in that penalty area.
Oh, that's a penalty, more trouble.
Well, this might just be the nail in the coffin.
He scored from the spot. He's one of the lads who really wants to take on this responsibility, and it showed.
Yeah, I mean, this boy is a composed penalty taker, and he showed it there. Really cool strike that.
It's turning out to be a comfortable game, this 4-0. Played down the wing, keeping the wide attack going. Attacking well here. Working hard just to see maybe a sight of goal.
Well, that looked promising, but he's been stopped.
Bruma. He went in well. I did think that this would be one of the tightest games. Well, the referee's given the free kick. Izet Hajrovic. And it's played to Fernando Torres. Sebastian Rode. Short passes, but they're keeping the ball. Promising build-up until that challenge. He's coming forward with some danger. We've had an hour gone here, and there's still 30 minutes left. Coman. Sebastian Rode. Izet Hajrovic. They've got the ball in the middle of the pitch here. That's great defending there, stopping that attack.
Look how quick he reacted.
Well, they're in a good position here. Good interception. And up went the flag. Offside given. Free kick. Asa Mandi. stopping the pass getting through with good piece of anticipation. On the attack here. And shoots! Credit for taking on the shot.
Well, what a good chance that was for him. By his standards, that's a glaring miss.
Mandy. Not rushing it here. Moving from one side to the other. It's good play until they got that challenge in. 20 minutes now remaining. Sebastian Rode tried to tackle here, and he's done that. Opportunity here! And that would have really wrapped up the game. Sebastian Rode. That's cut out. Bruma. Oh, he's playing it back to the goalkeeper. Gabby. It goes out wide again. Gets his foot in there. Bruma. A lot of defenders between them and the goal, but they still got the ball. Good defending. Here's Kingsley Coman. Oh, that looked painful. I think he's pulled a muscle. Good forward play from them. Here the challenge is a good one. Well, they passed their way up into a good position here. He's awarded the free kick. That looked very good indeed, but the move has broken down. Coman. Attacking now. Good reading of the play, anticipating the pass. Shots on here. And the goalkeeper plunged to make the save. So they're setting up for the corner. And here's the cross. It's looking good, this move. Wonderful chance. And it's a goal here.
Well, that really is rubbing salt into the wounds. It's been a one-horse race out there today.
It is an occupational hazard for goalkeepers. When you have a bad day, this is what happens.
Yeah, quite right. And he's going to get absolutely hammered in the press tomorrow. You can see that coming.
If you're losing count, it's 5-0. Izet Hajrovic. Could be dangerous. Good challenge. Wellington. Trotto! The shot should be. Very good stop here. Well, this attack got a bit of menace to it. Now the shot! And the goalkeeper got a touch to that. Fine save. He's spotting it up now. Smalling! Well, that's his best save, probably, of the day. We haven't quite seen... Well, there it is, the final whistle. And well played. They're through to the second round. On to the attack now.
Good Lord, what you don't say, what you don't. I did it just for you. I did it just for you. I did it just for you, and you just don't care. Yeah, all them other dudes by your side, you could let them ride off to the sunset. I'm a sunrise. Why don't you want to collaborate? Even though I make mistakes. Oh yeah, I'm not a bad guy. I ain't all put together. But if you stick around, you gon' see I'm getting better. And I did it just for you. I did it just for you. I did it just for you. And you just don't care. I did it just for you. I did it just for you. I did it just for you. And you just don't care. This could be a Cinderella story for a fella. If you let a brother come and spend a minute, but you only got a penny and I got it for my level. Spend it back, it's something worth a penny. I can invest in, I'll be the best investment you ever made. I'm investing, but you don't care. It's interesting that you don't care.
So here we go. The lineup for the home side. Starting in goal, Jan Oblak. Iniesta plays with Luka Modric in the centre of the park. And up front, Antoine Griezmann, the main striker today. This could be danger with this passing. He's got his shot off now. And shoots! Great work by the goalkeeper. The ball is his and he's made sure he's protected it. Gets his foot in there. Here's Carrasco. That's got him out of a tight area with that back heel. Oh, he could be in. A little too eager to get in behind the opposition, caught offside.
He can afford to give those defenders a yard or two, you know, because he's quicker than them.
Griezmann. Looked very good indeed, but the move has broken down. Wellington. Makes the challenge here. Iniesta. Bruma. He's inspirational. And here comes the counter-attack. And the goalkeeper can take charge now. He's read that, hasn't he, and made the interception. Made it look easy, actually. Griezmann. Well, they're in a good position here. Well, that looked promising, but he's been stopped. Wellington. Now he's got the ball. What's he going to do with it? To take the lead. Griezmann! No, no, no!
Well, the defenders could only watch and pray because they'd been left for dead, but he just couldn't finish it.
Wellington. Into the attacking third. Oh, he's through. And here's the shot. Well, here it is. The first goal of a game that they have absolutely dominated. Very good play. Defence opened up again, but the difference is this time that they put the ball past the goalkeeper. Good finish. And they're looking a very classy side at the moment. You've got to admire the way he placed the ball into the bottom corner of the net.
But the goalkeeper was in a decent position, but he was helpless to stop that one going in.
And that's a turnover to the opposition. Wellington. Bruma. And they've cut it out. Modric. Good forward play from them. That attack was looking good. Now the opposition have a chance. Wellington. And now Iniesta. Modric. There's good progress with this attack. And he's threaded the path through neatly. Wellington. Here's Carrasco.
Well, that's straightforward for the goalkeeper. And in he goes with the tackle. On to the attack now. Well, they've been thwarted here. That's a sign of better things to come. It's a quick break. Modric! So close to getting level again. Modric. Attacking now. Tried to tackle here, and he's done that. Well, they're building steadily here, working away. No cross, good block. We're going to get a corner here because of that deflection. And let's have your view again on the attempt from Modric. Crisp defending there. Griezmann.
He does read the game well, this lad.
Here's a chance to attack. Nothing wrong with that tackle. In fact, it was a terrific effort. Trying to find an opening. Not panicking. Strong, fair challenge, pulls out for a throw, though. Lovely one-touch football. Shots on here. That's great hands from the goalkeeper to make that kind of save. Saw it coming, cut it out, good work. Good defending. Modric. He's coming forward with some danger. Going to try his luck. That's a good save. He got a touch to that. And the ball's gone out for a corner. And the board shows 3 added minutes. They've got the ball back. The interceptor got it for them. He might be through. So it's 1-0 here as the half...
Hey guys, I would like to give a shout out to Haukon MJ. Thank you, Haukon MJ.
So it is time now for the start of the second half. Just working away to try and find an opening. Here's an opportunity, maybe.
He is a saviour there.
Bruma. Good strong tackle. It's a good place to win the ball here. Bruma.
Well, I don't know who the lad saw there, passing the ball. Somebody in the crowd, maybe.
Well, we might get an update on that injury now from our man, Jeff Shrews. Jeff.
Oh, there's some real concern looks from the bench, I have to tell you, because he's landed right on top of his elbow, and that's causing him some serious pain at the moment.
Jeff, thanks for that. Very straightforward save for the goalkeeper. Free kick coming up. Good forward play from them. And here's the shot. With this goal advantage, they've now got a corner. Crosses in. Modric. Modric. This is an exercise in patience as they try to get an opening. Yannick Carrasco. Could get his cross in now. Now he's looking for support.
It's Modric! That's a scoring touch to his wonderful array of midfield skills.
Well, the equaliser has happened. Took perhaps the opposition by surprise. But we're level again. It's what they've deserved. Tackle goes in. And it's been an hour of very good football here. We've still got 30 more minutes to go, and I'm sure we're going to enjoy that as well.
Griezmann! The goalkeeper with a textbook save and keeps the ball in his grasp.
This is how they love to play on the break.
And shoots! It's a chance well taken, and they now lead the game. It was a great race, a great pace, and a fantastic goal.
Well, how quickly did they go from back to front there? What a counter-attack.
Off we go again, 2-1.
A good try, but a simple save.
Challenges for the ball.
Here's a chance to attack.
Opportunity here.
It is a miss, a narrow miss. Otherwise, we'd have been talking about one of the goals of the season.
Well, they cut through the defence on the breakaway, and all it needed was a composed head at the end.
Oh, it could be on.
In with a chance to bring them level.
And he's hung on to the ball too. Brilliant goalkeeping.
Trying to keep the ball. Not anymore. Modric. Attacking well here. Really good aggression of the right kind to tackle so successfully. Wellington. And he could get away here.
The shot's on. Here's a chance, the goalkeeper exposed. The goalkeeper comes out with a punch.
Excellent interception. Time ticking on. Just over 15 minutes to go. Patience is the name of the game at the moment. It's looking good, this move.
Griezmann!
Just got the net, hasn't it? Antoine Griezmann, and he's found the back of the net again. Well, we see it again, how close it was to maybe hitting the post and staying out. But luck was with him. In it goes, it counts.
Now, I think the goalkeeper thought he got his angles covered there, but he didn't look too pleased when it rebounded in.
Iniesta. Griezmann. Moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here.
To put them in front. Modric! He's gone! He could well have won the game for them. Great moment. It is a decisive moment in the match, you feel sure. Very much quick-fire football from these boys. They've scored again.
Probing away, trying to find room for a shot maybe. They need to try and get the ball back now. Well, they passed their way up into a good position here, and then just lost the concentration, lost the ball as well. And they've got to work hard to try and get it back.
Modric!
Well, they've got a corner.
Shots on here. Terrific stop.
Here we go into the last 5 minutes of regulation time, and they lead by 1.
It's been a thrilling contest, this,
and we're into the last knockings of it, and the supporters, well, they're not showing any sign of losing their stamina. They've been great.
Yeah, always love coming to this ground, one of the best atmospheres around. They've not disappointed.
There's some potential in this move. Well, that pass never looked like reaching its target, and they're away with the ball. Crowd maybe expected a bit more, but it's 2 added minutes.
Well, that's always the goalkeeper's ball, and a simple catch as much as anything is simple in this game.
Great interception. It's a good-looking attack, this one. It might be a final attack. Surely, the equaliser. Well, the fans love this. The goalkeeper coming up to the opposing penalty area for the corner. And it's a heading chance now. He's made the save.
Well, they got through the first round, but I'm afraid the second round has been a match too far, a bridge too far for them.
Yeah, not a day to remember.
His soul for a scrolling crusade and hiding insecurity through this masquerade. Figures find out there's blood on the screen. It trips up on the floorboards, but his conscience is clean. You don't know, you can't hide it now. 'Cause he's a fly that won't stall, yes, an insect that crawls. He validates existence through the post on your wall. wanna show you a new me. Show you I'm still here. Gonna let it ring through me, 'cause I know you care. I know you care. Floating away.
Hey guys, I've been streaming for a long time now, and this is goodbye. I would like to give a shout out to Ellie for watching the whole time. Thank you.